Welcome to AssistEdge RPA how-to video series. In this video, we will learn how to create a file trigger for an automation. Triggers enables users to generate automation requests as per the defined schedule or changes at a particular source location, which could be changes at a file system, FTP, SFTP, or in an email inbox. Creating a file trigger includes the following steps. Defining the process trigger type in Studio. Creating a file system trigger in Control Tower. In this video, we will understand the second step of creating a file trigger that includes creating the file system trigger in Control Tower. In this example, let's create a file system trigger in Control Tower for the configured stock finder automation. The file system trigger should continuously monitor the trigger folder directory available at a shared location, and as soon as the stocks input Excel file is placed in this directory, this trigger should execute and generate an automation request. Note that the stock finder automation is deployed in the stocks profile. To understand how to configure the stock finder automation for supporting file system triggers, watch the Defining the File Process Trigger Type in Studio video. Let's understand the trigger creation steps in detail. Open the admin module, and as a first step, let's verify the role access of the user who intends to create a trigger. Verify the role of the user and the associated accesses. To create a trigger, the user should have the trigger management access. From the admin module, open the Control Tower. Ensure that the robot for the stocks profile is in running state. To understand how to create and run bots, watch the Creating a Bot video. To create a trigger, click the trigger icon. Click plus to create a new trigger. Provide a user-friendly name. Select Process Profile as Stock Finder Automation, Stocks. Set Transaction Expiration as 600 as the transaction expiration seconds. Select Start Now to start the automation request immediately, and in this case, select End Date as Never to configure to stop the monitoring until the end or for a specific time of a specific day. Select Trigger Type as Continuous Monitoring and Source Configuration as File System. In the Directory field, specify the local folder path of the server where AssistEdge RPA is installed or the shared network path that needs to be continuously monitored. Note that the shared folder path must have write access for everyone and should be accessible by AssistEdge server machine for continuous monitoring and by robot farm machines for smooth bot execution. If the shared folder is not allowed to be accessed by everyone and needs a username and password validation to access, check the Is Directory path in UNC format and provide the username, password, and domain details. In this case, let's provide the network path of the directory which has write access to everyone. Directory is equal to the specified network path. In the file name, enter the name of the actual file name or a regex pattern and file extension as .xls. Click Done. Now navigate to the trigger folder directory and let's place the stock input.xls file in it. As soon as this file is placed in this directory, an automation request is generated and the request is picked by the stocks bot for execution. The file system trigger creates an in-process folder which signifies and includes all files that the process uses while getting executed by the robot. Verify the results by opening this Excel file. That's all from this how-to video. In the next video, we will understand how to create an email trigger. Thank you.